What's up guys, I hope you are doing well. A lot of you are messaging me on Instagram telling me, Switzy, can you show us how your investments are going? And it's true. I think it has been almost 1 month that I didn't show you what's going on with my investments, how much I have made. To be honest with you, as you can see this week, I think I'm up. Today I'm up by 30,000 pounds. The week I'm up by 50,000 pounds. And since the beginning of the month, for the last 30 days, I'm up by 100,000 pounds, which is just mad, which is one of my best months so far. Now, unfortunately, I'm going to the gym. That's why I'm dressed like this. But when I come back, I'm gonna make you a nice video. Plus, we had a nice trade on Euro USD. So I'm gonna show you that everything was on my Telegram and then we all make money. So stay active and see you soon. So as you can see, the short, the jacket, the sport bag. Let's go to the gym. As promised, here we are. We are currently on my personal Telegram group. And as you can see, I currently have over 4,000 active members who are trading on daily basis with me. We're gonna start. So as you can see today, I said profit close. So I had a position on Euro USD. I had a total of 120 lot, which is a massive position. I can't lie, but I was kind of confident with that trade. And I'm gonna explain to you why. I said profit close. This was at 8 a.m. UK time. I woke up early. Was a good moment to close my trade. You can see that the day before, so the 17th of January, I sent at 10:42 p.m. okay, UK time. I said I'm getting into a buy position on Euro USD. This is not a financial advice. Please, if you're doing this, use a proper risk management. By the way, I just would like to clarify, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you what I'm personally doing. In any case, this is a financial advice. If you're investing, please do your own research. So now that I said the legal disclaimer, let's get back. So that was the chart before and that's the chart now. And if I would have held, I can't lie, I would have made more money. It literally went up by 100 pip, which is just amazing. Anyway, if we get back to the chart, let me explain to you the main reason why I got into a buy position with that trade. So most people were like, yeah, it's bullish. There is a bullish trend. It's an uptrend. So yeah, that's a first indication to get into a buy. But then why would I buy? What were the real indications? So let me explain to you. So for me, it's really important that when you are trading, you are zooming out. You just zoom out and take a look globally at what's happening in the market and look at the cycle. We can see that in the past, okay, when we were here we had a resistance and hit a support. So the support was kind of strong. We can see when the support was hit here, the correlation with the stochastic. So look, this is something really important to learn. So boom. And if you go straight down, stochastic was oversold. For those who don't know how to use the stochastic, it's pretty simple. I'm always using the stochastic with the setup 14-3-3. And how does it work? We have three areas, 0, 20, here it's 25, 80, 100, but here it's 75, I don't know why. But basically when it's from 0 to 20, it means it's oversold, it's more likely to go up. And when it's overbought, it's from 80 to 100. And at this period, normally the market is about to go down. Now, you can't just use the stochastic just like this as a simple indicator. You need to combine as many information as you can in order to have something solid. So when you have a resistance, then your stochastic should be overbought from between 80 to 100. And in case it's about to be a good buy, the market should be oversold. The stochastic should be 0 to 20 and we should have a support, okay? And here we go again. As you can see, guys, here we had a small rejection and then went all the way up here. And again, you can see same thing with stochastic. Then it got broken, yeah. Then retested the support, which became a resistance. And as you can see all the way here, so you had like few nice sell entries. Then here support, as you can see, correlation. I'm just trying to give you like a nice understanding of the whole situation. And yeah, as you can see, I'm on the daily chart, okay? I'm not going on those like lower time frame. This one wasn't very good because the stochastic wasn't oversold. Here to support, oversold. And that support in later on wasn't that strong because it was broken so easily. Broken, retested, broken. So this resistance is not here anymore. And look, you can easily delete it because the stochastic is not correlated to it. So it means just you can delete it. And then here we go. As you can see here, it was almost hitting the resistance, yeah. And the stochastic was just got into an overbought area, then dropped. And here, I can't lie, some people lost money. But look, the stochastic was in the middle. It was right here. So you didn't have the confirmation of the stochastic. So you shouldn't get in. Then got broken. And because the resistance got broken for me, if you look at the past, like I told you, if you zoom out, you know that this is a key level. 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times worth over 5. And then when there is a breakout and it retests at that level, this is what we can see. It was consolidating, so making the previous resistance as a support and went down. And here we had like the same thing. Look, when it broke, then the retest, consolidation, and keep going down. Here we have the same thing. Broke it, retest, consolidate, and start going up. We had exactly the same thing, the exact same path in the past. And this is why generally yesterday I said I'm getting into a buy position on Euro USD, and this is how I made this money. When I trade on weekly and daily, this is where I'm usually taking the biggest amount of pips. Yeah. Also, this is like the most safe trade. Then when I go at a lower time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour, I'm not really based on resistance and support like supply and demand, because it doesn't make a lot of sense. But I usually try to play with the trend. So if you look here, I was okay. It was hitting the trend, nice, hitting the trend, nice, hitting the trend plus confirmation with the stock. I was, you know what? This is a riskier trade, but let's get into a buy. So I said I'm getting into a buy position Euro USD. I set it at 9:40 p.m. UK time, and then the next day at 6 a.m. I said close. I'm closing now. Simple trade. A few days ago, also I did the same thing with Euro USD. It was when it was actually hitting the resistance over here. So let me show you on the 4 hour. This is when I got into the trade around here. Got a few pips here because it was one of the first time hitting it, and that's why I sold. And I didn't send my profit, but as you can see, profit close. This is when we made the money. I sent a trade at 3 p.m. I said it at the day before. I'm getting into a short position. Oh, sorry. I sent more trade actually. Sorry, I don't remember all the trade that I'm doing, but yeah, I sent, so that was the 10th of January, so 8 days ago. I said I'm getting into a short position, profit close. Then again, I'm getting into a short position, short means sell, profit close. So I can't lie, this month is like honestly really good. Like all the trades are kind of perfect, to be honest. Here I said, okay, what was the trade? Okay, I'm getting into a buy position on Euro USD. I'm mainly trading Euro USD recently. Market, so here you see I got at that entry, but then even the market went a bit lower, rejected. So I explained to like everyone, market rejected properly. Let's see. So that trade was sent at 11 a.m. 11:40. We closed 1:35 p.m. and I made 17,000 pounds. I'm telling you, like this month of January, this beginning of the year is going really well for everyone. So yeah, as you can see, things are pretty simple. I'm not trading often. I'm more based on quality of my investment. If I find something, I will get in. I'm not trying to send like 1 or 2 or 5 trades a day. For me, if you see someone doing that on the long run, you're gonna get burned, because you always need to compare yourself to the big institutions. You need to compare yourself how hedge funds or banks are working. Usually they don't go that much on the lower time frame, and if they do, they have robots doing that into a nanosecond, getting in and getting out. But yeah, it's more swing trade that they usually do. Now here, I know there is a lot of people who are not used and are discovering like how the market works. And please be careful when you are investing. Investing always includes some risk. If you're investing, invest money that you can afford to lose, because we all make mistakes. When I started to invest my own money at the beginning, I was losing. Let's be honest. Like I made some mistakes, but people who are in my group chat, they have access to my group for free. So for everyone who like get started, feel free to send me a message on Instagram, Switzyman, and Switzyman is my backup page. So see you on Instagram. Hit the like button if in case you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe.